Welcome to the Wi-Tek How-To series. Today, we will explore how to pair up CPE devices through the dip switch and LED screen channel. We will build the network based on this topology. The CPE on the right is the base station, and the CPE on the left is the client. Here, we have a pair of CPEs on the table, an IP camera, and a laptop for configuring CPEs and testing results. First, let's power up two CPEs through PoE Ethernet cables. Before pairing up, we need to reset both CPEs. Press the reset button for a few seconds until the LED screen begins to flash. Now we can see there are numbers on the LED screen of both CPEs. This picture shows how the dip switch works. When you push the button to the H, it means this CPE works as the host, or you can also call it as the base station. And the C represents it works as the client on the side of each monitoring point. And we have set up the CPE on the right as the host, and the CPE on the left as the client through the dip switch. Now, the channel on the LED screen shows 203, and we will adjust the numbers on both sides to the same number, 100. Next, let's start pairing up. First, press the button plus for a few seconds. After it flashes, you can click the plus or dash button to adjust the number. After finishing the pairing up, we can remotely log into the IP camera powered up by the client CPE through the laptop connected to the host CPE. And we can check the real-time monitoring video on our laptop. Thank you for watching this episode of Wi-Tek's How-To series. If you find our content helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Your support is our motivation to keep updating. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.